and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to all of you. So we've got three, I think they're all diamond paintings to unbox. Sometimes it surprises me with something else in the packaging because of course I don't open it all until now. So let's have a look and see if we do have three diamond paintings. I'm pretty sure they are, but I have been shocked before. So this is a 30 by 30, a cute little one. I thought this one was absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it's got a lot of colours, so it has 24 different colours. It's a red squirrel. I think he's eating a nut. I can't quite tell whether he's eating a nut. Maybe he's cleaning his hands. But yeah, it is a round. It does come with DMC numbers, and the actual finish size is just short of 25 centimetres by, again, about 25 centimetres, only a couple of mils off. It's amazing how much detail there is in that picture for it being so small. There is some areas that are a little bit more blocky. So, for example, up by this J, mainly in the tail. But other than that, it's not confetti as in you'll go through each and every colour and only place a couple of diamonds. If you've got a bigger section uncovered, but it is probably more confetti than some are. More confetti than blocky. Does come with a toolkit, always handy. I have a rogue diamond on my desk. It's square, so it's definitely not for this painting. And then this is the colours. Ooh. Oh, look at them. Look at those. There's some nice fun colours. Some more muted colours, of course. Gorgeous greens. Oh, nice bright yellow. And we've got those as well. I was just having a look. I went to have a look to see if there was any 310. I don't expect there to be loads of 310 if there was 310 on here, but just to see if there was any at all. And not only is there no 310, but actually the DMC number, the lowest DMC number we have is actually 702. So it's quite a higher end of the scale for the colours. The darkest colour we have is sort of 939 or 3371, and that's just a scattering around here and a little bit of the shading, of course, for the squirrel. But yeah, he's sweet. No name springs to mind for him straight up, so maybe you guys can name him. But there's nothing that sort of pops straight into my head. And painting number 2. A little bit different for this one. This one definitely has some darker colours, though it's actually 939 rather than being 310. Just spreading out the plastic on the bottom just a little bit, just to help that lie flat. It is, of course, poured glue because it's clear, but I thought that was stunning. I don't even know if you can see the image clearly. Of course, you can click on the link in the description. That will take you to the item and that will show you a clearer picture. But it has just 19 colours in this one, and it's down as a 30 by 40, but the diamond painting area is 24 by 34. And dark background. If you don't mind blockiness, which I don't, to be honest, I really don't mind doing a load of the same colour, as long as I'm not doing it painting after painting. But I do find that it makes the other diamonds really, really pop. It's nice and dramatic. But these are the colours. So of course we do have quite a bit of 939, but then we have some gorgeous pinks, blues and purples, which look really, really nice together. There's a little bit of white in there as well, but they look really, really nice together, and against that navy will really pop. In fact, if there'd have been black on this, it probably would have looked too dark against all these colours. It might have been too much of a contrast and not what the painting needed. And they come in bags. Bonus. I'll take the bonus. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. So that's painting number 2. And then number 3 is definitely bigger. Let's have a look how much bigger. I didn't even refresh myself on my order before I unbox this. I think we're going this way. We are. Oh, it's not too much bigger. So it's a 40 by 50 rather than a 30 by 40. In this gorgeous scene, it is a round. It does have 24 colours. And they do come with DMC numbers. It does have some black. It also has some white, or 3865, but really nice clear symbols. A little bit of confetti, little bit of block work, nice little variety, gorgeous waterfall scene. And this one measures 35 by just short of 45, so there is like 5 centimetres taken off to give us a 2.5 centimetre border. You do get a basic toolkit. Let's have a look at some of these colours. Oh, there's a nice pop of bright green in there. Let's start with number 1. So we have some purple. That is your black. Only 1 bag of black, so not too much for this size of a painting. Got some greys and burgundies. Ooh, nice blue. Another nice purple. Mix those two together. Nice pop of green. Nice pop of yellow as well. Ooh. Then we've got some blues. In fact, is that the one we've got the most of? Yeah, 824. 824 we have 2 bags of, but all the others we just have the 1 so far. We do get 2 bags of 3865 as well, but they are not full to bursting. And then we've got some other blues and a really nice brown. It's the last painting, so I'll fight with those diamonds in a minute. But yeah, really nice waterfall scene. That would look gorgeous framed and hung up. In fact, they all will, but sometimes you want, you know, a nice piece that's diamond art, but also looks like maybe it could be a painting. But I'll pop links to all of these down below, of course, in case you fancy treating yourself to one, or maybe you just fancy a little browse. Thank you so much, as always, to Fansells for sending me these that I can share with you all. And thank you to you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.